how to make and create family newsletter on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account and click on create a design, search for newsletter right here and go down, click on family newsletter option and it will take you directly to this page. Now on this page you will find many templates. Choose the one that you want, for example this one, and you can change the text, the pictures and everything from here. You can also change the color of the text and the colors here. And yeah, that's it. After you finish editing your template, click on share and download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.